In the last video, you learned all about harvesting asparagus. I will now show you what has to happen after the harvest before we can sell the asparagus. Before we can market the asparagus, we have to bring it to the sorting station at the farm to wash, cut, and sort. After the harvest, there is still a lot of soil attached to the asparagus. Since it is delivered to the shops as food, it is important that it arrives there clean. During harvesting, the asparagus was only roughly cut and is still irregular. In order to straighten the ends and make them a uniform length, the asparagus is cut a second and third time. In this company, washing, cutting, and sorting are now carried out by a machine. Victoria will show you how it works. The asparagus from the field arrives right here. The crates are placed on the pre-wash, which rinses the crates roughly to remove the grit and soil from the fields. When the asparagus comes out of the pre-wash, it is pushed into the floating trough. This is filled with water, making it easier to remove the asparagus to the sorting table. At this point on the machine, the asparagus is cut for the first time. Here the asparagus is washed thoroughly. Here the spears are separated so that there is only one spear in each indent, and then all the spears are cut evenly to 22.5 centimeters. Then each spear is photographed individually. The machine classifies the spears automatically. Each company has its own classification categories. Finally, the crate is packed to the weight of 10 kilograms, and then the asparagus is covered and placed in a shock basin. The asparagus is cooled down so that no unwanted discoloration occurs afterwards. This is the cold store. Here we store our asparagus in a cool, moist, and dark place so that it always stays fresh. So processing the harvested asparagus is basically quite easy. Transport it to the sorting station at the farm, put it on the conveyor belt for washing and cutting or carrying out these steps yourself if necessary. Sort the spears. Place them in crates and weigh them. Quickly cool them down and then bring them to the cold store. I hope these videos have helped you to understand the most important steps of asparagus harvesting. I'm very glad you're supporting us with the harvest, and I hope you enjoy your work.